Hi everybody, Samantha Shriver, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator coming to you today. I just got my pre-order, so I wanted to show you a few items from that. I also wanted to, I'm very late in this and I am so sorry. The past 3 weekends I've had some prior commitments with crafting stuff, so I haven't gotten to do any videos, so I didn't announce the winner yet from my last card giveaway. So I just wanted to announce that, and the winner is Paula. So Paula, please let me know which card you would like to receive, if you would like the birdhouse one or the bird one, and email me at myhappinesscreated@gmail.com and I'll get that out into the mail to you. And again, I apologize for my being late on announcing that. Also, please excuse kind of a hot mess today. So a lot of you know that who follow me, that I have dealt with migraines for many, many years. I've done all kinds of treatments. And today they did my first Botox for migraine treatment. So I don't know if you can tell, but I feel like a human pincushion. I mean, I have like injection sites all over me. It's crazy. They do like your temple, the back of your head. They do your neck, your shoulders, your forehead. And by the time it was over, I was like, oh my God, thank God it's only once every 3 months. And no lollipops, people. They don't give you lollipops for migraines, for your Botox for migraines. So I drove my little self to Starbucks and I got myself a iced caramel macchiato as a treat. You go, girl, you did it. I was proud of myself because that was not fun whatsoever. So I did treat myself a little bit. But I just wanted to share this unboxing with you guys. And it wasn't a huge order that I placed. I am definitely, once May 3rd comes and customers and all the demonstrators can order everything from the catalog, I do have some other items that I want to order. I did order some other stuff just for an upcoming workshop that I'm doing. So I plan on incorporating these new in colors into that workshop. So I'm very excited. But I hope that everybody has a wonderful rest of your week. And thank you guys so much. Hi, everyone. I hope the lighting's not too bad here. I just received my pre-order items finally. So I wanted to show you guys them. So all the new in color ink pads I got. So we have Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, Starry Sky, and Orchard Oasis. So these are all of the new in colors. Very excited to use those. It's always fun to get to play with some new in colors. And I also got all of our cardstock. So the Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party, Tahitian Tide, Starry Sky, and Orchard Oasis. And I absolutely love our blend, so I had to get all of these as well. So the same thing, the Sweet Sorbet, Parakeet Party, Light Tahitian Tide, Starry Sky, and the Orchard Oasis. So I'm very excited to use those. I also got the 6x6 in Color Designer Series paper pack. So we have all of the designs and all of the colors. I'm going to be using this at an upcoming workshop. But I really do like the designs on the paper this year. I can see myself using these a lot. I love how bright that one is. we have all of those. The In Color Opal Rounds. A few of them got moved during shipment. That always happens. It makes me laugh. So I got those. And then the Glossy Dots assortment. These ones are, I don't know if it's like they're holographic. They look really cool. I can't wait to use those. And then I also was able to snag the Effervescent Element. Let's see if I can open these without spilling them everywhere and making a complete and utter mess. Okay, that's not too bad. Only 3 came out. But if you guys can see, they are all different sizes. These are really pretty. So these I am going to use in my upcoming workshop with these vintage bottle shaker dies. Look at how cute those are. Super cute. So I'll be putting those effervescent elements in that. And I also got the Bottled Happiness bundle. This is a photopolymer stamp set. And this does come with a punch. And then you can use those shaker domes with the punch. Sending Smiles. That's a photopolymer set as well. This is a new Hostess set, and I thought it was absolutely adorable, so I had to get that. I love the little cats and the dog and the little sentiments that come with it. So I can't wait to use that. And I got the new Stitch Shape Dies. I'm very excited because I was sad when they retired the stitched ovals and the stitched squares. So they did not bring back the ovals, but they did bring us back some circles and some squares. And then we also have some tags. So I could definitely see myself using this set a lot. So that's the Stylish Shape Dies. And then the last thing that I got was this Hues of Happiness paper pack. I can't seem to locate my paper snips at the moment, so I just want to open this up so I can show you guys. I did not get the stamp set yet that this coordinated with, but I definitely wanted to try out this paper. So we've got that. I just love all the different colors that they're using in this paper. That's really pretty. This, love that as well. They did a beautiful job with this paper. Oh, I love these colors together. It's a great color combination. Same thing with that, very pretty. Nope, I absolutely love that paper pack. They did a great job. So that's all that I got on my pre-order. The rest of the stuff in my order was just some things that I needed, some supplies for an upcoming workshop, but I'm very excited. And then once we're able to do a full order from the catalog, which is May 3rd, when our customers are allowed to order at that time as well, I will definitely be doing a another order with some other items that I've wanted and are on my wish list. Thank you guys so much. I hope you have a great rest of your week.